I'm working on my 1995 Chevy G20 van with a 4.36 cylinder V6. The problem was after driving 3 hours, about 5-6 miles from home, it'd start dying down and backfiring and cutting out, and I'd pull over and let it cool and it'd run good. It's a new fuel pump in the tank, new fuel sending unit. So I don't think that's it, but I read about this ignition pickup coil. Maybe flaky. I tried ohming it and didn't get a very good reading. But it sits at the bottom of this assembly. I had to use a gear puller to pull all this off. The rotor goes here, distributor cap, which I ordered from Rock Auto. I'm still waiting on it. And this ignition control module, I got a new one of that. New distributor pickup coil. I'm working on it. Working on that distributor. I had a set of ignition wrenches, and I'm glad I did. These tiny bolts right there, 5.5 millimeter, which is not a common wrench to have laying around, but I had one. Had to go find it. If I get it running, I'm waiting on distributor cap and rotor. I may have to buy a new coil, but I'm going to see if I can get it running in about 10 minutes. Well, I replaced those distributor parts. It's running. I'm waiting on a new cap. I cleaned it. New wires and spark plugs. That'll be everything on the ignition system replaced. But it did start after replacing all those parts in the 4.2 distributor. Sounds smooth. I moved the side post battery out of the front of the engine, ran wires back into here so I can change my battery easy. It's almost impossible to get the side post battery out of the front. Well, it's a success. Get the new cap and rotor and plug wires and plugs, and then drive it and see if that was the issue.